And finally, if I wanted to work in SketchUp, right, let's minimize this, minimize that. Let's start SketchUp. VDI has been failing with this error on a regular basis. It may be that these other programs were open. Let's try again. I'm going to use architectural inches template. We don't need that, citizen. Whenever you're doing anything that involves some kind of measurement metric, change the camera from perspective to parallel, because you don't want perspective distortion messing with the appearance of what you're trying to do quantitatively. So let's go to a plan view, and I'm going to import the same CAD underlay. So file, import, and remember that SketchUp doesn't interpret any of the text in an AutoCAD drawing, so you're not going to see any of that stuff. So 530 with excerpts. Change this to CAD type drawing, AutoCAD. So same drawing, second floor typical. That should place it right around the origin. All right. 530 Atlantic Ave, you know, is this part of the building, not this tower connected by this bridge atrium way there. So same deal. Okay. How do I calculate area in SketchUp? It is the epitome of simplicity. You draw a rectangle, select the face, right-click, enter the info, and it's just telling you. I don't know where it drew that. Somewhere else on the screen. Let's try again. All right. I can't seem to see the tray. Hide tray. Show tray. I don't know where that's drawn, so I'm going to just go full screen with VDI and see if I can pull it into view somehow. Okay, the tray is off to somewhere in space. I'm trying to bring it back. Let's get out of full screen. There's a tray. Now we've lost SketchUp, but we'll find it. There we are. Okay. Select 5,700 square feet. Right? If I wanted to draw a label on it with text, make that text, I don't know, 6 feet tall. 5,700 square feet. I don't remember what it was. program. There we are. Right? And so on and so forth. So if I can take that rectangle, if I decide to group these things together, edit make group, I can take my 5,700 square feet of program and move it to my space, right? So 5,700 square feet takes up about half the space. I could copy it, because groups are not components, you can edit them separately. So this second instance could become smaller by modifying the boundary of that rectangle. It doesn't have to be a rectangle. It could be any shape at all. We're using a rectangle just to sort of understand it. So now that that area is smaller, you look at that face, it's 4,299 square feet, so this label is not very useful anymore. So now we need a new one. 4,299 square feet. Good, 7 minutes. We're going to stop in a minute. And then close that group. So there you have a representation of 57 plus 4,299. That's about 10,000 square feet of program. And that's how it sits on a typical floor at 530 Atlantic Avenue.